How to make $100,000 plus with freelancing. Freelancers offer freelance services. Freelancing is when you offer services to clients. Common services to offer as a freelancer include writing, graphic design, website design, digital marketing, proofreading, bookkeeping, or programming. You'll typically work on a per-project brief with the contract ending once the work is done. It's a great side online hustle for people with marketable skills who want to use them to earn more outside of their regular work. Pros: flexibility in how much work you do. Diverse range of earning opportunities. Potential for high earnings if you have experience. Cons: inconsistent income. Need for continual self-promotion and pitching. Hard to scale as you're selling time for money. How to start. Consider whether you have any skills that it would make sense to offer as a service. Often these will be the same things you do in your day job, although it doesn't have to be. You then need to find clients. The easiest way is to sign up for a freelance marketplace like Upwork. Asking in your network for referrals is another common way to get clients, especially if you have a good reputation for the service you are planning to offer. Here's a model case study.